My name is Prinakon Chunhacha, who is recently a lecturer at the Department of Biochemistry and Microbiology. So the program that I would like to introduce to you today is the multidisciplinary programs. The title of the program is the Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. Okay, so everyone's already, maybe already seen the YouTube and a lot of the video clip telling that right now Chula is among the top university in Thailand and has been ranked as the world top 100 academic, in terms of academic reputation by the QS World Ranking in 2021. So there's no questions about the quality of our program offer. All right. So our program, as you can see that our program is a multidisciplinary programs. Not only the program that we offer a various field for the student, but also for the student body. We do have a lot of multinationality, and we both have very enthusiastic environment, and we have a very vibrant communities that students connected to each other. We do have a class that offer the student to have the actual interaction among them. And at the end of each semester, we have the chance, we offer the chance to the student to present their progression in the every semester. Okay, so first, the question is why you may interested to apply to PhD program at Chulalongkorn University. Because first, as we know that Chulalongkorn is a world-class university, and also Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science is among of the world-class pharmaceutical program in Thailand. And we also offer the multidisciplinary. So that means, whatever fields that you are looking for, I think you may find one of our professor that suits your interests. And of course, when we do have the multidisciplinary programs, we also offer international collaborations among the several countries throughout the world, ranging from China, Germany, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Philippines, Singapore, United Kingdom, and also USA. And the strength is that this is available for those who holding both bachelor's and master degree in both pharmaceutical science, in science fields or related field as well. Okay, so you may wonder that, okay, so we are in a multidisciplinary program. So what kind of the fields that has been, taught in our programs? So this can be classified into 6 categories. And the first one is the drug delivery system and pharmaceutics. The second one is the food chemistry and medicinal nutrition. The third one is herbal medicines and natural product, medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical analysis, and pharmaceutical biotechnology and microbiology, and pharmacology and toxicology. So this is ranging from the drug discovery process, how you can identify the lead compound, how you can further test them, and how could you formulate the drug product in order to make the suitable pharmaceutical dosage forms. So we cover all that fields. And of course, we offer the program for both master and the doctoral degree, right? And we also offer both non-coursework and the coursework. So, but the condition is that for the student who would like to apply for the non-coursework, you might need to have the experience in the research, both in the master and the doctoral degree, Okay, so if you're interested to apply for the master program, you might look to your profile. If you do have some research experience and you may find yourself suitable for the non-coursework, you can discuss with your potential advisor and may apply to the non-coursework. But they will have some, criteria for that. You have to, have meet that requirement, in terms of the GPA and all those stuff. And for the doctoral degree is also applicable for both master graduates and also bachelor graduates as well. And it's depending on you would select the non-coursework or the coursework, right? But in general, we mostly encourage our students to apply for the coursework program because we also have the class for you guys that you can make sure that you will have the basic knowledge to conduct the research, successfully. So talking about the research laboratory, so as you may know that our faculty equipped with the, high technology, starting from the, drug discovery, we have the machine that you can identify the drug product, even you can test them in the animal model. So we provide all that facilities for you. Okay, so for the research area, since we are a multidisciplinary programs, as I mentioned earlier, so we have a very wide range of the research area. So I guess that it might have at least one of the topic that suits your interest, ranging from the drug discovery, both from the small molecule and for the large molecule like the antibody or vaccine development. In terms of pharmacology, we also have the professor that is very expert in the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics to create the research for you in both in vitro and in vivo model in various, specific fields. And also, we also offer like the cancer cell biology and chemotherapeutic resistant mechanism as well. Not only that, we also have the expertise in order to doing the research in the drug delivery system by using a various type of the drug delivery method like polymer drug conjugate, peptide drug conjugate, And also for the drug development, we have also have the faculty members who are really special for the bioinformatics. And as you know that the big data is the new fields of, in the research, we kind to adapt those like large data in order to find out the new discovery. So we also have the professor who is really keen on that particular field as well. All right. So for more information, as you saw from the slides, that we have a very wide range of the professor. So in the last part of my presentation, I will show you the link, which you can click and try to find the faculty members that might suit your interests. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, that we have international collaboration throughout the world, and we actively doing the research together with all the country indicated here. Also, same as another program, the other program is that we have the scholarship and the research funding. This is depending on your qualification. So you might go to the graduate, grants that announced online to check your criteria, check your status, whether you are applicable for scholarship applications. And we do have the research funding, for the potential student. And we have the system that we send the student to present internationally when, when the country is become open again. So we hope that in the near future, we can send our student to have like the overseas presentation. And actually our program just have the the funding to support the very potential PhD student to present overseas. So I think that is the great opportunity for you that you can engage to the international level. So talking about the cost offered by PST program, we have a fundamental cost that for the newcomers to enroll. we have the drug development, especially in the principle in the drug development or the principle in DDD. So this one is the class that will teach you the basic knowledge of how the lead compound has been identified from various sources, starting from the small molecule, the biologics, and etc. From the plants and everything. So after that class, you will have the chance to get rotation into each professor. So you can sort out like which professor that you think his or her research suits your interest, and then you may try to apply, and then you might have the chance to rotate within that lab. So I think that is a great opportunity for you before you make decisions, right? Because sometimes you are not quite sure that you may be or not really suitable for that particular works or that environment. So I think the DDD is the great chance for you to have the lab rotation before you make decision who will be your advisor. And we have the basic course teaching on the basic research methodology will offer the chance for you to develop your proposal. So you will learn how to draft your proposal, to meet the standards. So you have the system to help you throughout the process. And of course, we have the seminar that conduct every week. So we have the student right now is almost 100 students. So our students discuss every week, like they present their work, like, and then sometimes they present the review articles. So that is very, very fundamental and very, enthusiastic discussion environment. So if you would like to know more, you may contact your friend who right now currently in our program, and you will know that we have very active seminar discussions every week. And this is the example that at the end of the semester, we offer the chance to the student to present their progress report by poster presentation. So for the master degree, you will have the chance to create a beautiful poster, which you can, present to all your friends and the faculty member. You will have the engage to discussion between a different student, from various fields. So I think that is the great opportunity for all of you. Not only, doing the research in the lab, but you also have the chance to come and talk to other people, which is the most important part of the graduate study. And we also have the, a very high standard learning facility. We have a very good library. We offer, a very good interacting classroom, and we have, even the drugstore. So this is like you will be sitting in the heart of Bangkok, and you will be in the environment that has very rich in the learning facility. And not only that, we have the, for Chulalongkorn University overall, we have a very vibrant campus life because you are now situated in the heart of Bangkok. All right. Okay, so if you would like to know more about us, you can go to the web link that I provide on top of the screen. And when you go to this website under the chula.ac.th and you select the pharmaceutical science and technology programs, it will pop up the web page like this. And then you can click enter website, the pink circle over there, that is the enter the website. After you click that, you will be in the move to the website that you can see the number of the faculty members, as well as they have the link that you can sort out what is their research expertise, right? And yeah, so you may definitely find me as well, and Ajahn Dr. Supakan as well. And yeah, you can click by going through this, pink website, after you go to this web page, and then you can sort out what is his or her expertise, and you may select from that whether or not you would like to apply to do the research with them. And this is the step that I heard that some of you asking these questions earlier about the registrations. So this is like the web page that you may see when you go to the register.chula.com and you go to the register, and then in that box you type in pharmaceutical science, and it will pop up like the master of the PhD and also Doctor of Philosophy in Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. In that particular, role, you can only view if you just want to get the information, or you can even apply to the program directly from this web link. So just try to get used to all this web link. So not only our PhD, right? So if you go to this page, you can search for another program if you have specific interest as well. All right, so this is the QR code and the link, which is I already shown in the previous slide. Okay, so I think that is all for me. And if you do have the question, do not hesitate to email us at pharmaceutical@pharmchula.ac.th, or even call us, in that particular phone call. And keep in touch in the Facebook page at the facebook.com/pharmaceutical, okay. So I wish that you will get all of the information from the PhD program, and our faculty also offer a very, interesting program coming up as well. All right, so thank you very much.